Hello there, and today I have got a very, very special, real, brand new leather jacket to show you. Oh, very, very exciting, because as you know, I have had multiple just false leather jackets, but now I have a real one to try on and show you. So I am very, very grateful to have this lovely leather jacket. It is by Fjackets, that's Fjackets, and it comes in this gorgeous, gorgeous, eco-friendly box, which I unboxed and popped on this hanger for you. It is made with real lambskin leather, and they have so many different leather jacket styles on their website, but I decided to go with this cropped version. As you know, I recently got a full biker jacket, and so I needed a real cropped one to add to the collection, didn't we? So with this one, it is very, very similar. It has the little buckles here, so we have some cute little buckle side details. We have, of course, the zips with real pockets. We love that. And it's lined with the polyester lining, which is amazing. We have the real leather stamps and stickers here as well. Still got the little label on it. Comes with a really lovely label talking about how you can, like, the more you wear it, the softer the leather becomes, and just how to look after it. Okay, so it has this really cool detailing here, which also matches my leggings. You can see they have these kind of patches as well, similar to this kind of detailing. But I know you can't wait for me to pop it on, so let's get it on and then talk some more. So lovely. I thought I'd wear this little polo neck for you as well. And some little silver jewellery. So as you can see, it is kind of cropped and has some really cute little buckles, really gorgeous zips. We love a zip, don't we all? Thought I'd pair it with my Docs today, my platform Doc Martens, and this, of course, white polo neck. So we have some gorgeous pockets, and I know you love it when I do it up, so let's fully do it up as well. I love the collar detail. It's just such a good classic cropped leather jacket. Now Fjackets are really good because they are a sustainable company. They get their leather from local animal food farms, so not putting any of the animal to waste. Ethically raised, responsible practices, which we love. So here we go, fully done up. What do we think? And I think it's perfect as well for the cold weather. Here in the UK, we are going into winter season. And winter season means cold weather, where we're going to need all of our warm leathers on. There's some zips here too, because we love a little zip detailing. So Fjackets have been going for 12 years of expertise and empowering confidence, style, timeless pieces, because you know these leather jackets, they never go out. Unique and feel and look your best, which is always amazing. And I think I can style this in many, many ways. Of course, with all my different outfits. I think it looks great with, of course, I need to get some real leather leggings, don't I? maybe one day. I have created a wish list, so if you would like to have a look at that for any Christmas presents, if you would love to support me and my little Christmas gifts, show your appreciation. I always appreciate that. But yeah, this is so nice, so I thought I'd give you a little review. One thing I would definitely say about having the real, this is lambskin, so having a real lambskin is it does feel really, really warm and soft compared to my other ones, which feel a little bit more plasticky, a little bit not as warm. This feels like it will definitely keep me nice and warm, which we always love. If you want to know the exact name of this one, this is called the Women's Asymmetrical Black Crop Moto. Black Crop Moto leather jacket. And yeah, they have a really good size guide as well, so you can make sure you're getting the right one, because I wasn't sure whether to go for extra small or small, but this one is a small, just because I love to layer underneath, so I've got lots of room. So I probably could maybe do one more layer underneath this. It would be kind of snug, but yeah, it's definitely, it does fit me well. I was worried that it would be too big, but actually no, like it really does work well, which we love. But yeah, I feel like this is going to last me a long time, and that's what we want with real leather products. We want them to last a long time, and yeah, it does feel so nice. They come in sizes from extra small up until 3XL, so yeah, you can get a whole, you can definitely find one in your size. And of course this is specifically women's, but they do a whole men's section as well, so you can definitely find one that will suit you the best. Let me see what it's like with the collar up as well, because we always love a little collar up moment. Oh, that's nice. Yes, a collar that actually stays up as well, guys. I know some of you love it when I have the collar up in some of my videos. So having one with an actual collar that stays up, that is a bonus. I was deciding as well, when I was deciding between jackets, they do have a jacket which has like the cool different style of collar, but do you know what, I was like, okay, I'm just going to start off with going with the classic, because the classic just needs to come out first, right? So obviously we can style it in loads of different ways. I could kind of have it a little bit undone, a little bit done up like that. That's probably my favourite way to wear it. Just like a little bit open, so you've got the nice little collar. I think that looks the best, in my opinion. What do we think? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, very cool. Very badass, as we love to be our badass selves. So yeah, let me know what you think.